Hey guys, John Deere John, and we are back here at our Marion location comparing the 1025R to the 2024 LS MT125. Today we're going to be taking a look at how easy it is to take the loaders off and on, whether you're taking it off to mow the lawn or taking it off to do other tasks around your property. Normally one of those jobs that most loaders are coming off and on a pretty regular basis. So the best way to compare, I figure, is to race. Today I'm going to have Bob on the 1025R, and I'll be taking the LS MT125, and we'll see who gets done first. Should be a good time for one of us. On your marks, get set, go. Done. All right guys, so Bob beat me. We can check the official time later, but Bob obviously beat me, but I'm feeling a comeback here. I think I'm gonna beat Bob putting the loader back on, so might as well race trying to put him back on, right? Let's see how it goes. Ready, set, go. you beat me?
By a landslide.
Dirty hand test? Well, greasy. Granted, mine is a used tractor. My official times will be posted in the videos, but if you feel like you can take your competitive tractor and beat me, by all means, post a video in the comments.